Nice! Dude, let's see how happy. Let's look at the face of a guy that just...
I'm not happy at all.
Oh, he's not happy. He's not happy. Yeah, right. Hi there. This video is about my son. He likes to drone. We built this, but we are missing many of a good thing. This is what we did.
From the sky.
Dude, that was the most intense thing.
I dived upside down from the sky like 30 feet, and I flipped over like 10 feet right before I could have hit the ground.
Dude, it was about to hit us in the face, and he like saved the day, dude, like fucking Batman.
It has no power in this place.
You want to land it and try it with the goggles?
Yeah.
Oh! Unarmed. Disarm.
Disarm.
You're fine.
Where did it land?
It's like up over...
Inside the tree?
He's going for it.
I'm gonna get it safely.
Nice. Dude, you tore it up, bro.
My feet hurt. Did it look cool?
Yeah, looks like it's still in one piece too. Dude. Throttle. Turn around, throttle, throttle, throttle. Turn around, come back towards us. What are you doing? Back towards us.
I am.
Throttle, you're going too low. You're about to, like, stay out of the weeds, man.
That's going too low?
Yeah.
The weeds look way lower.
Yeah, they're not. All right. Make sure you have good forward momentum. There you go. And keep your throttle steady. You don't want to be going up and down. Nice and steady. Yep, and pitch forward and keep her pitched. Come to daddy. Pitch forward. More forward than you want to. Yep, keep pitching forward. Forward, forward. Don't stop. You're stopping. You don't want to do that. You made it. That's your first time going through a freaking gate of any sort. Nice, bro. Yeah, go around those trees. There it is. Yep, keeping that pitch, dominant pitch like you're doing, like always forward. Nice. Super nice. Yeah, dude. Back towards us now, now. Oh, you're so close to the trees. Oh my gosh. Nice, dude. There it is. Some nice bank turning. Taking her to the bank. All right, let's see if you can land on this thing. That's pretty good landing, dude. Nice, dude. Let's see how happy. Let's look at the face of a guy that just.
I'm not happy at all.
Oh, he's not happy. He's not happy. Yeah, right.
Oh, that was crazy. How did I do it? Wrong way.
All right, he's behind the goggles.
I can't flip with the goggles.
Okay, well.
I feel like it's gonna be a whole different thing. Well, maybe. Ow.
Well, give it a shot. Go forward and then left a little bit. Left. Throttle and left. Straight. Pitch forward. Pitch forward. Throttle. 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 Pitch forward. Throttle. Okay. Oh. Colton did like his first gnarly power loop. It was the gnarliest power loop that I've ever seen. It was like 70 feet up in the air and it was great. Then I put it in some mode that just totally messed it up. And so he went to do his flip and it went all the way inverted upside down and killed the throttle, no control. It's falling towards the ground at like terminal velocity and it's about to explode. He hits the throttle and the pitch, I mean, as much as the gimbal sticks would go, and it's flying towards our faces, and I'm like just about ready to scream like a little girl, and he just saves the day, dude. He was like, I am Batman, and like saved it, dude.
It came like right here and it was like, whee! And it stopped so fast from like so high up in the air and it came right by our faces. It went,
and that's the way she went. I'm proud of my kid. He's going to be a great pilot, and he's got a lot going for him. This is Drone Alone. What happened to your arm? Let's look at it. Ouch. Did you go to the chop shop?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was happening?
I don't know. Oh no.
So you're trying to tell me that your arm switch and your mode switch is like backwards than how you think it should be, and you got confused?
I thought you were talking about some kind of chop shop. I don't know anything about a chop shop.
Huh. Well, seems pretty interesting.
Yeah.
Oink.